again. This is Marlene. I'm here to give you a quality, budget-saving house and lot for you and for your family. Hello, good morning everyone. This is Marlene po, property consultant of Lancaster, New City. I'm here po for the bank approval of my client, Miss Divine. Hello ma'am, good morning. Ma'am, si Miss Divine po is nag-tripping, and then eto, ang unit niya po is Adele unit. Ngayon LOG na niya for the bank approval. Ma'am, tanong ko lang, kamusta po yung process ng bank?
I think pabilis naman siya kasi isang tawag lang nung PTO sa akin na nagtanong siya tungkol sa mga informations ko. Tapos, the next is na-receive ko yung text na approved na yung bank loan.
Okay. Tapos ma'am, ask ko lang din po, si ma'am kasi na-meet ko siya sa Facebook. Ma'am, ano po yung naramdaman niyo nung unang nakita niyo yung Lancaster, New City? Yung location niya, amenities?
Doon sa sa Lancaster, nung first punta namin sa showroom, okay yung model units yun. Tapos hanggang sa nagpunta kami doon sa parang location na ni Adele sa phase 2. Okay naman yung location na.
Mm-hmm. With a lot of clients and know about their needs, and I help them make a smart decision on buying their property. And I make sure yung mga OFW natin na buyer, relax lang sila, everything will be smooth, and lahat ng process and needs sa requirements, ina-update ko palagi sila. Even sa home loan nila, ina-update ko sila. I'll be here along the way sa journey mo on fulfilling your dream house. God bless everyone.